Hello, I'm Mark Sabatella. In this video, I want to introduce you to the portable version of my online music teaching studio. This is the setup that I use to record videos just like this one or participate in Zoom calls where I want to teach music. And when I say that it's portable, I mean I can set this up anywhere where there's a piano in a matter of minutes, and all the equipment that I need fits into a small bag that I can easily carry with me. And when I say videos like this one, I mean that I have a camera focused on the piano keyboard so that I can play. But I'm also showing the sheet music. You might want to just use a PDF viewer to show the music, or have just a picture that you've taken of the music. But I'm using MuseScore, the free and open source music notation software that I also co-develop. And that allows me to then have MuseScore play the music for me. So when I say it's a portable setup and that it allows me to set it up anywhere where there's a piano, it's also very inexpensive. All the hardware that I need, all of it combined, can be purchased for under $100. Some of it you may own already. If you want, you can splurge a little bit more and get a nicer speaker to play music through as part of it. So it's very inexpensive for the hardware, and the software is completely free. If you use MuseScore, then that's completely free. The app that I'm using to actually display the screen here to show you the sheet music and to show the camera view, this is an app that I developed that's also free and open source. So if you are interested in being able to do online teaching like this, whether it's producing videos or participating in Zoom calls and so forth, check out my next video where I show you exactly what the equipment is, what the software is, where to get it, and how to set it all up.